I make a helper to convert JSON to a POJO object in Java. First, I will create a Maven project, and I want choose boilerplate as a Jersey quick start web app. And this is like a boilerplate means it give a template starter template for a project for your Maven project. And artifact is this is the project name. I want 01 helper and Maven package what you want to give, and then start. At first it start some yes or no for the project, and then if you're getting some error in index.jsp, then simply add java servlet in pom.xml file. And this is the dependencies, add in pom.xml and delete your index.jsp and make another index.jsp file on same directory web app, inside web app, and choose here index.php. If you don't find the in index.jsp file relate helper, then you can simply download from Eclipse marketplace. Now error is gone, and here I simply run this Maven as a Java server, but there is no need to run on Java server because here I just want to show how to convert JSON to POJO object by the help of main class. Now run your server. If you want to execute your Maven project on server, then here you can simply run. Here you can download packages for the JS and other. This is not a package. This is like an extension of your Eclipse. Now start. First I go through Java resource and I make a helper inside. I make an class for the model. So I make this model package, and for class I make a user. Here I define three methods. First one is private string and username. There, so name. Second one is age. Private type is int and variable age. Third one is private string and city. Now make default constructor and the getter setter of the model. For format, if you want to format your code on Eclipse, then simply select all, and for Mac, Windows Shift F, and for other it should be I think Control Shift F. Okay, I make another main class where I want to run this code. So make a new package. Here I make a class main class file. Now make main method. Here I simply define JSON string, means this is come as a JSON form as a string, and this string has a name, int and age of the user. I use backtick for the double quote, so I can use double quote inside the string. And here is name. Now write age. Now give the city name of the user. I won't give Delhi. Now it's time to call a Jackson object mapper. But before I add dependencies of Jackson file, so you go to Maven repository. Here you find Jackson data bind. First dependency is data bind. Add in your form.xml file, and the second one is the Jackson core. Add here also. After saving, after save, if you type object mapper, then you will show the suggestion. First create the object of the object mapper, and call the user model, so I can get the username with the help of object mapper. Object mapper read value and pass first JSON string, and the second one is user class. Now you can see out your object. So this is the whole process, convert JSON to POJO. If you run as Java application, not Java server, then you can simply see your result.